Tālofa Lava. The Liua Sina Watershed and Rainforest Sanctuary project will be implemented with the assistance of the GEF Small Grants Program core funding. The project will involve the Faleseela Environment Protection Society FPSE, partnering with the Ali'i and Faipule, the people of Faleseela, Lalo Talie ECAT Ventures, and Polynesian Explorer.
Legend tells that because of the genius act by the Matai Somaoli, the river Sina changed its direction to flow through the village of Faleseela.
The main objective of the Liua Sina Watershed and Rainforest Sanctuary project is to ensure the significant natural and cultural heritage of the southwest region of Upolu will be protected and conserved for generations to come.
The watershed area stretches from the ridge through spectacular waterfalls hidden away in the rainforest to the reef. Liua Sina River feeds into the sea at Lefanga Bay, where the mangroves in the estuary will be rehabilitated and replanted.
The Faleseela Environmental Protection Society has been in operation since 2007. It is made up of a group of village matais who work on conservation projects. The society is concerned about damage in the watershed and rainforest area caused by natural disasters, for example cyclones, and overclearing of land for plantations, erosion causing flooding and landslides, pollution and the excess use of chemicals by farmers. How will this project be implemented? The Faleseela Environmental Protection Society will work in close consultation with the Ali'i and Faipule of the village to create and enforce village bylaws to protect and conserve the precious natural resources of the village. The success of the project depends upon the whole village being involved, Ali'i and Faipule, women, youth and children. Educational programs will be implemented in the local primary school as part of the project, focusing on the importance of conserving and protecting local natural resources, the river, rainforest, coastline and the sea. A number of local and international agencies and experts will be engaged on this project. For example, WRD, the Water Resource Division of the MNRE, Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, Puma, Conservation International, Vainuma or ECRIFS, the Independent Water Scheme, the STA and New Zealand Aid, along with individuals such as Mr. Francois Martel, a leading conservation and forestry expert. The community education and awareness workshops outlined in the proposal for this project are a key to engage the community, particularly landowners and also the youth of the village, in the planning process for the development of an environmentally friendly land use and conservation plan for the watershed and rainforest area. The first step will be to construct a participatory 3D model, like the one shown here in Lauli'i, Falevau. Vainuma, also known as ECRIFS, have already agreed to provide support for this project as consultants for the participatory 3D model. The model will define the specific areas to be protected for conservation of ecosystems and biodiversity. Steep areas degraded that would benefit from rehabilitation through planting of native forest species, and agriculture or cultivated or fallow areas to support agroforestry techniques. Other experts, for example scientists, will be involved in the project. There is presently very little recorded data on the biodiversity of the watershed area, so at the beginning of the project a baseline ecological survey will be undertaken to assess the biodiversity of the area and to identify indicators of species for monitoring and evaluation, particularly the manumea, as there have been reports of this endangered species being sighted in this area. The model will also indicate areas for ecotourism development. The project aims to ensure ecotourism will not be overdeveloped, but will be closely regulated according to the village bylaws.
One ecotourism operator, Talia Ecat Ventures, is the gateway to the waterfalls and surrounding rainforest. As an ecotourism business committed to creating sustainable livelihoods, they employ local guides knowledgeable about species of flora and fauna in the rainforest. As part of the project, these guides will be trained as conservation rangers. A key goal of the Liua or Sina watershed and rainforest sanctuary project is to benefit the people of Faleseela through eco-cultural tourism in terms of employment for local people, in tour guiding, hospitality, cultural activities such as weaving demonstrations and selling handcrafts, preparing food the traditional Samoan way, and encouraging local farmers to grow organic fruit and vegetables to feed visitors from overseas. In 2 years' time, when the Global Environment Facilities (SGP) funding for this project ceases, a trust will have been developed as the village's sustainable approach to the management of the watershed and rainforest sanctuary. Ecotourists, conscious travellers, school groups and visitors from all around the world who are hosted by Eco-Cultural Tourism Ventures in Faleseela will be encouraged to donate to this trust.
Faleseela Environment and Protection Society would like to thank all the stakeholders involved, particularly the UNDP, GEF Small Grant Program for their kind and valuable assistance for the Liua Sina watershed and rainforest sanctuary project, so that the river Sina will continue, as the legend says, to bless the people of Faleseela and the surrounding districts with its food source and clean, safe water for future generations.